Good morning, students. Chapter 1st, Exercise 1.3, NCERT Math 10th class. We have to prove that under root 5 is an irrational number. So we prove this by contradiction. Let us consider under root 5 is a rational number. If under root 5 is rational, then it can be written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p, q are positive integers. Okay, under root 5 is written in form of p by q. So let us consider this is equation first, and this can be written as under root 5 q is equal to p. This is equation 2. Squaring equation 1 and 2 both sides. Equation 2 both sides. We get under root 5 q whole square is equal to p square. That is 5q square is equal to p square. This implies that 5 is a prime factor of p square, and if 5 is a factor of p square, then this implies that p square is divisible by 5. And if p square is divisible by 5, then fundamental theorem of arithmetic says p is also divisible by 5. And if p is divisible by 5, then p is equal to 5 into c, because this 5 comes down p and we get c as quotient and remainder are 0. Okay, so 5 is equal to p is equal to 5c. Put in equation 3. P is equal to 5c. Put in equation 3. And our equation 3 is 5q square is equal to p square. तो 5q square is equal to p के प्लेस पे हम रखेंगे 5c whole square. This is 5q square is equal to 25c square. This implies that q square is equal to 25 by 5c square. From here q square is equal to 5c square. From here it is clear that q square is divisible by 5. Okay, this implies that क्योंकि q square को हमने लिखा है 5 मल्टीप्लाई सम c square, c is any constant, तो it means 5 डिवाइड करेगा q square को. This implies that q square is divisible by 5. And in this case we have written that p and q are co-prime integers, also are positive co-prime integers. co-prime integers it means अगर उनमें कुछ कॉमन है तो उसको हमने कट करके इनको स्मॉलेस्ट फॉर्म में लिख लिया, ताकि हमारा p और q क्या बन जाए, co-prime, यानी कि उनमें कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर ना रहे. ठीक है, तो p और q हमारे co-prime थे. अब यहाँ पे आपके पास क्या है कि q स्क्वायर इज़ डिविजिबल बाई 5. अब हमें क्या मिला, दिस इम्प्लाइज दैट बाई फंडामेंटल थ्योरम ऑफ अरिथमेटिक्स q इज ऑल्सो डिविजिबल बाई 5. If q is divisible by 5 and p is divisible by 5, we have say that p is divisible by 5. So this gives that both p and q are divisible by 5, and hence 5 is common factor of p and q both. Common factors of both p and q. This implies that p and q are not co-prime. यहाँ से क्लियर हो गया कि p और q क्या है, co-prime नहीं है. co-prime नहीं है तो इट मीन्स उनका एक कॉमन फैक्टर है. लेकिन शुरुआत में हमने क्या लिखा था, हमने लिखा था कि अंडर रूट 5 p बाई q की फॉर्म में लिखा जाएगा. q 0 नहीं है, p q आर पॉजिटिव co-prime इंटीजर्स. यहाँ पे हमने इनको co-prime इंटीजर्स लिखा है, यानी कि इनमें कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है. और वहाँ पे हमने दिखा दिया कि 5 उनमें कॉमन एक फैक्टर है, तो इट मीन्स हमारा जो अजम्पशन था, कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन जो अजम्पशन हमने माना था वो क्या है, रोंग है। दिस गिव्स, सो आवर अजम्पशन इज रोंग। Hence, √5 is irrational.